Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to book a load from the load board in MercuryGate. So I have a couple loads here that need to be booked, and it's quite simple. You can basically just select the blue button for book. And now it's refreshed and we see here that the load is showing in booked status. You can also do this in mass. You select your action of book. And I'm not going to do this right now because I want to demonstrate how we can book the load from an email that the carrier would receive. So I'm going to cancel that. Now I can show you, this would be the email that the carrier would receive for our load number 13478. Select it as accept. I'm just going to put 13478 as a pro number, accept tender. And now you can see, if I refresh, our load is showing as booked.
Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.